Hello, everybody. I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Language with Sarah. Today I am with a new lesson ordering food in Italian. This is our favorite thing ordering food. This is the most fun and easiest way to learn Italian. So let's begin. Our first sentence is Vorrei un tavolo per due. Per favore. Vorrei un tavolo per due. Per favore, I would like a table for two. Please. Vorrei, I would like. Un tavolo, a table. Per, for. Due, two. Per favore, please. I would like a table for two. Please. Next one is cosa consiglia come antipasto? Cosa consiglia come antipasto? What do you recommend for the starter? Cosa consiglia? Recommend. Come antipasto for starter. What do you recommend for starter? If you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful videos like this. I'll post every day a video so you can practice your Italian every day with me. Next one is vorrei ordinare il piatto del giorno. Vorrei ordinare il piatto del giorno. I would like to order the dish of the day. Vorrei means I would like. You can remember this today. Vorrei, I would like. Ordinare, order. Il piatto, the dish. Del giorni, of the day. I would like to order the dish of the day. Please, if you like the video, then please like it and comment on this video. Now, let's move on to our next phrase. Next one is vorrei un pizza. Vorrei una pizza margherita, per favore. I would like a margherita pizza, please. Vorrei un pizza. I would like a pizza. Margherita is taste. Vorrei una pizza margherita, per favore. I would like a margherita pizza, please. Next one is posso avere un'insalata mista, per favore? Posso, can, avere, I have a insalata mista, mixed salad, per favore, please. Posso, can, avere, I have un'insalata mista, a mixed salad, per favore, please. If you like the video, please click the like button. Next one is vorrei un bicchiere di vino rosso. Vorrei, I would like un bicchiere means glass, di vino rosso, red wine, of red wine. Next one is mi può portare del pane, per favore? Mi può, could you, portare, bring, del pane, me some bread, okay? Mi può portare del pane? Could you bring me some bread? Per favore, please. I hope you all remember this word, per favore, please. Vorrei il conto, per favore. I would like the bill. Vorrei, I would like. You all need to repeat after me. Vorrei, vorrei, I would like. I would like. You can remember this word today. Vorrei il conto. I would like the bill. Per favore, please. Grazie per il servizio. È stato ottimo. Thank you for the service. It was excellent. Ottimo. Excellent. Okay? Remember also this. Ottimo. Excellent. Grazie. Thank you. Grazie per il servizio. È stato ottimo. Thank you for the service. It was excellent. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. I every day post a video so you can practice your Italian with me. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.